Hello traders and welcome back to my trading channel. In today's video we are going to be discussing stop limit orders. First, let's define what this means. It is an order to buy or sell a security when it reaches your wanted price, which is known as a stop price. So when the stop price is reached, the stop limit order becomes a limit order, which means that the order will be executed at a specific price or better. In other words, it is just a limit order that activates when it reaches the stop price. Here, let me show you an example of how this works. Let's say you have a long position in Bitcoin from this point, and you want to prevent losses in case the price falls below a certain level. For this, you can set a stop limit order to reduce those losses. So when the price reaches this stop price, then this price limit will activate and cut your losses. In the same way, let's say you also want to protect your profits in case the price rises above a certain level. In this case, when the price reaches this stop price, then this limit order will activate and you will take profit when the price reaches your price level, your limit price level. Okay, now let's go to Binance and apply it there. Let's say you long from this position and you want to prevent losses. Then you will add a stop limit or below your entry point. For this example, we will set our stop price at 16,800 and our limit price at 16,790. We're buying 0.0007 Bitcoin. Now here you can see your stop loss limit. Now let's also protect our profits in case the price goes higher. For this example, we will set our stop price at 16,860 and our limit price at 16,870. Amount 0.007 Bitcoin. Now you can see both the stop loss limit and the take profit limit. So now it's important to know that there is no guarantee that this stop limit order will be executed given the price of the security may never reach this stop price, or the order may not be able to be filled at a specific price. So that's it for our video on stop limit orders. We hope you found it helpful, and if you have any questions or suggestions, make sure to leave a comment in the section below. Thank you for watching.